Okay, so I'm going to show you the pantry. I'm standing in the kitchen right now, leaning against the bar, and so that door that you're seeing there goes out to the back to the garage, and there's a full-size washer and dryer. I'm going to walk slow. We have our trash cans in here, and there's the dog bowl that we keep with water in it. So come into the pantry, full-size washer and dryer. It's more of a laundry room, I guess. You can see back there is where I fold my laundry. It's got a window in it, so it's got natural light and heating and cooling and everything. So I'm going to walk back to the area where Roxy's bed is, and it's just a big dog pillow with a couple of blankets on it. And I put a crate in here. I have a small crate for when Roxy was little. And so I'm thinking I could just leave her crate in here, you know, and have it be her bed during the day. I don't know. I tend to use the wire crate so they can see out, but anyway, we can talk about that. But anyway, so then the other side is full-size washer or full-size refrigerator, and then it goes back out to the kitchen. I think Kim said the dimensions are about 10 by 14, and there's the bar that I was leaning against. So that's our pantry. We're calling it a pantry. It's really a laundry room.